When putting stuff in storage, do you think about the intention behind your decision? In today's video, I share with you the difference between delaying a decision versus intentionally storing something. And I'll share with you 4 questions that you can ask yourself that will give you the ultimate clarity about each. Hi, I'm Flora Sage, your certified simplification coach for over 27 years. So what's the difference between intentional storage versus delayed decisions, and why does it matter? Intentional storage is when you intentionally store something that you know that you use, you know you love, you know you want to keep it, and you actually have a plan for it. Versus delayed decisions, which is when you're on the fence about whether or not you should keep something or if you're going to use it. So you keep it just in case you might use it or need it in the future. So in essence, you've just delayed making a decision until the next time you go through your storage space. And your future self is going to have to go through it again and again and again and again until you finally make a clear decision of whether or not you want to keep or donate each of these items. In all the 27 years that I've been coaching people, I've seen closets, attics, basements, spare rooms, all the things filled with these delayed decisions. Now, here are 4 ways that you can shift from having a closet full of delayed decisions to instead having intentional items being stored for a purpose. The first thing is the use of the item. When was the last time you used the particular thing that you might want to store? The second is if you had to move and your new space was smaller, would you pay to store that item or those items? Number 3, would you miss it if it was lost or damaged? And number 4, do you want to spend more of your life, more of your time sorting through these items again in the future? In a recent podcast episode, number 198, I talk about the invisible pedestal of importance and why it adds to delaying the decisions in your life. So I've got the link below. Check out that podcast episode. It's really powerful and so good. In all the years that I've been helping people, I have seen delayed decisions rob people of hundreds and thousands of hours, days, months, years of their life. So if you are finally ready to clear out the stuff from your space, now truly is the time. Ask yourself these 4 questions when you're going through your stuff. If you want my help and support in this, I do have sessions available. I do have spots available in my upcoming calendar year for ongoing coaching. If you are interested in that, click the links below to check it out. Share with me in the comments below one thing you know you are finally ready to get rid of and stop storing. If you found today's video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you know every single time a video is released. For more support and resources, click the links below.